Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how I went from 295 pounds to 195. All I did was just follow all the tips, so I'm gonna share in that video. Make sure you stay tuned. Okay guys, the things I'm about to show you, I don't want you to say this is not well. What I want you to understand about weight loss journey, it's all about the sacrifice, it's all about the mindset, it's all about the thing that you put in. Because if you think you can't do some stuff, exactly what gonna happen, you're not gonna be able to do it. Me, the mindset that I born with was everything is possible if you believe. It's one of the things that can make you great. Believe it's one of the things that can make you perfect. So I realized that since of my 20s, so I keep that mindset everywhere I go. Now we're going to go to the main things in the video. I need to take a haircut because we can't look like this. So guys, it's time for the haircut. No, it's thank you, appreciate that. So that's gonna be fire. Let's get it.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
That's an A plus. Guys, we just get that haircut. This thing is really fired up, bro. I'm not gonna lie, she's actually make the haircut look crazy, bro. You know, she's what's up. That's a W, bro. W for the Barbie bros. She's making the trip crazy, you know, like we're doing great right now. What the hell, bro? Okay, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again and again and again, you know, like we usually do. So now we're gonna try to head up to the gym, guys. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Juvencenzo. All I do, I just live. Not the lift, you know. We're just gonna try to go do a training stuff, guys. Just make sure you stay tuned, and also before we even start, I'm gonna try to give you some motivation, you know, just to make you awake. Always ask God to drive us, to make us feel like we're living. Let's get it. So guys, today we're gonna try to hit the same thing. We always know the gym is one of the things that's gonna help us grow. It's the things that's gonna make us feel like we're much better than anything. That's why I want you to be patient. That's why I want you to keep going. That's why I don't want you to give up. I want you to pressure it, like to become the best version of yourself. Like that question my little brother just asked me this morning, that's really touched my heart. He said like, why do I actually pray God? Because God teach me how to be patient. God teach me how to stay humble and to become the best version of myself. That's why I want everybody to do the same things. Otherwise they're gonna not actually go to hell. I'm not trying to scare people, but there is a consequence. Remember, everything we're doing in life, if we don't do them right, there is a consequence behind it. That's why we still pray, we still ask God for more glorification to make things happen. So guys, at the gym we're gonna try to hit legs today really hard, but at the same time we're gonna have fun. So make sure you stay tuned. So let's go on the first technique. One of the most technique about squat, you need to make sure you also squat really deep, because one thing about squat, it also develop a lot of muscle with your lower body. And also one thing about squat is help you get stronger with your back and also your core if you really know how to contract them. One of the most important thing about squat, you need to make sure you do your warm-up, because without a good warm-up you're not going to be able to actually target the portion of muscle you want to. One of the most important things I usually do, guys, is make sure I squat really deep, and also I get up with my hamstring. And also one thing, I always try to go up every time I go and lift it. I usually go on like 2.5 pounds most of the time, but if you want, I think is 2.5 is the lowest they had. So this is the max so I can go now, but in the past I used to squat over 500 pounds. because I was losing too much fat, so I losing strength. Now I need to rebuild my strength. That's why I really recommend you guys, if you haven't no idea how to squat, if you haven't no idea how to add weight, or just make sure you go in the link in my bio. So it's actually gonna help you fill out an application so you can like working out one-on-one with me, and also I can coach you to help you how you can actually go out to develop yourself, and also help you become a better version of yourself, you know. Now we go for bench press. Bench press also one of my favorite type of exercise. This is the second exercise I did. I also try to go like from what I did in the same thing with the squat, and then next I go like where I left. You know, this is the max we left. We tried to do at least 5 of it, but wasn't able to do all of them, like to get all the 5 set up. What I did 4. But one thing about lifting, sometimes not every day you're gonna see able like to hit your pair, but it's still fine. Just make sure you find anything that help, you know. Find anything that's help to help you achieve your goal. If you can find someone that can actually spot you, it's still fine. But if you don't find any way, just find a way safe to actually help yourself out. Now we go to the last workout, to something we call deadlift. Deadlift also is one of the most important exercise, because it target your lower body, your hyper body, and also to help you develop bicep, tricep, and it's help you getting stronger. If you really look up of getting strong, I will recommend you to do those type of exercises, because they really worth to try. If you haven't, I really recommend it, because they help you develop really ton of muscle. If you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure you do so, because there is a lot coming soon. One type of exercise I not recommend anyone to do those, like those body workout exercises. So there is a way I'm going to teach you how to start, but don't do the same things that I'm trying to do now, because I've been doing this for 4 years, so I will develop a lot of muscle to target most of the thing. Now this is one of the most essential part. This part we call it nutrition. So nutrition really play 99% work, because you can't work a bad diet. This is why you can see a lot of people, they fail on their weight loss journey. If you just start weight loss journey, I really recommend you, I beg you, really focus on your food. The things that you put in your body, those are the things that's gonna help you level up yourself with your weight loss journey. I've done it multiple times. Everything that I did was about my nutrition. So if you low with protein, if you low with fat, if you low with carbs, that could be play a really big role that stop you from not actually lose weight. So I really recommend you to take that really serious. Me, for myself, I was 295 pounds at that time. The first thing I did, I was tracking my calories. I know when they say calories, you feel like you what is calories, what is that, and all of those things really annoying, I know. But you need to start understand that first thing first, when you buy anything, you can see all the description that's in the back of the nutrition fact. They tell you exactly how much calorie in there, and also they even measure every single step. So if you're someone really interested about losing weight, you want to lose weight, I would recommend you to go on the link in my bio. Make sure you click in there. When you click there, you can actually log in. I can teach you every single step you need to do. Just make sure you go out and fill out the application. That's actually gonna help you get you success with your regular training. Now let's just talk about the nutrition. Why nutrition is so important. First things, when you start eating play a really big important role to what is nutrition. First of all, nutrition is one of the things I can say this is fuel. Fuel is the thing that's gonna help you make your system work. So if you actually put really an expensive gas, for example, if you put expensive gas in your car, there's a reason for it. So when you start putting value food in your body, those are the things that's gonna extract most of the important things with fat, and also with sports, with fat and also with muscle. So me, for myself, at that time I was 295 pounds. I eat one simple thing. First thing first, after my training was usually eggs. So why did I choose eggs? There was a really big difference. When sometimes we say people eggs, they just like go and buying eggs, because I did the same mistake. I was just like, oh, eggs, eggs, eggs. Let me just eat eggs and eggs and eggs. But the thing is, you need to know exactly what type of eggs you need to eat. Why do I need to eat those type of eggs? Is there any reason behind it? So first thing first, as you can see, there is different type of eggs. They eat white eggs, they eat brown eggs, but they all really play a big role. Me, for myself, I really recommend you, if you're trying to lose weight, make sure you focus on eating like whole food. Whole food is the main thing, because your body can't process unprocessed food, you know, like processed food. So that's why I don't want you to stop eating those type of food. Like for example, sweet, you need to cut out sugar. So how do I know there is sugar in something? There is sugar on most everything we eat. Even the rice, there is sugar on it. Even actually the bread, they still have sugar. But what I want you to understand, when you start consuming all of those stuff, there's a lot of things that you need to understand. Those things you put in your body, is a couple of stuff that's can actually really make you panic, and that's can actually make you not losing body fat. Me, for myself, when I start my weight journey, I usually try to go with eggs in the morning, and then the next meal was chicken breast. Why do I choose chicken breast? I choose chicken breast because chicken breast is one of the main things that's gonna help me value myself to not eat fat food, because the chicken breast not only come from with a lot of protein, is also gonna help you build a really awesome physique. While to actually prep your meals, there is many ways you can actually prep your meal. First thing first, you need to buy complete seasoning, because seasons actually gonna make your food really taste. Make sure you add some limes just to add a little taste of your food. Next thing, don't overcook your food. Don't just eat the same type of food every single day, because it's gonna become boring. Stop eating like some type of food that's gonna make you worse, just make sure you find different way to make your chicken breast. For example, if you want, add it with, how can I say that, like for example, if you want to eat it with rice, next day you can eat it with potatoes. There's a lot of things you can actually add, like to make your food really taste, and if you go watch my other videos, and also I'm gonna drop you to my other channel, so there's a lot of tips that I share in those videos that can actually help you as well. One thing we're gonna talk about as well is have at least 5 or 3 meals. If you want, you can still eat 2 meals. If you want, you can still eat 3 meals. It's still fine. But why do I need to eat like a low portion of meal? You need to eat a low portion of meal, because when you start eating really low portion, now you're gonna start feel a little bit hungry like the most. But at that time, I'm gonna show you a simple secret that's actually gonna help you. First thing first, make sure you go to bed around before 10. Why do I need to go to bed before 10? If you were like a busy person, I can understand that. But if you know, after you coming from work, you just finish your workout, you just finish everything, if you like reading, if you like watching TV, I don't want you to just go and snack, because snack gonna add you a little like more calories. But because we're trying to work over calories, we're trying to avoid calories. This is the main thing we're trying to do. That's why I don't want you to go and eat those type of calories. What I want you to do, I want you to, instead of eating any type of like sweet potatoes or chips or stuff like that, instead I want you to like try to get, like for example, add fruits like watermelon. There's some other stuff you can actually eat, but make sure they like whole type of food. They can actually help you. I hope guys we enjoyed those things. If you have any detail, any question, make sure you drop the like, make sure you subscribe, and if you have any question, make sure you put it in the comments so I can actually help you. Don't forget to go on my description. Make sure you fill out the application, and we can actually help you reach out your goal, because there is a lot of people who already did it. I want you to do the same so you can actually get your weight journey intact. I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure you like again and subscribe. See you on the next one.